Hey guys, this is JB Shah. So today in this video, we are going to discuss about Parkinson gear test. Okay, Parkinson gear test is generally used for measurement of gear tooth, for measurement of elements of gear tooth such as form, pitch, eccentricity, backlash, etc. Okay, generally it is useful for mass production when we have produce our gears in mass production. Okay, its components are shown in figure. It has a master gear. Generally the accuracy of this test depends upon master gear accuracy. If it does not get worn, then the accuracy will be more, or it does not get deflect. Okay, so uh, okay, the gear to be tested is placed on a vertical shaft. This is master gear is fixed on its place. It is rotated by electric motor. Okay, when it is rotated, the gear will engage with the testing gear. Okay, it will also get rotated. But if it is having error, then the sliding carriage will move. This sliding carriage will it is attached with dial gauge. It will also rotate the pointer of mechanical dial gauge, and electric transducer is attached with it, which shows the graph. Okay, and at the end the chart is obtained from which we can see that the gear is fully satisfied, moderate, or acceptable or not. Okay, uh, so here is the setup of it. It is a elevation and it is a front view of it, we can say it. This is a sliding carriage mounted on rollers, and this is a vertical shaft on which master gear is fixed. It is rotated with the electric motor. Okay, and it is all base dial indicator. Now suppose when it is rotated, but with the error rate, the dial gauge will also move, so some reading will be shown here. Electronic transducer, electric recorder. Okay, on that basis the graph is generated, from which we can see that the gear is satisfactory, unsatisfactory. Here the master gear is fixed on vertical shaft, means its degree of freedom is limited. So the gear vertical gear, or we can say gear to be tested, will only move. Okay, results generally depends upon the accuracy of master gear. Only cumulative error can be known, then individual error of different tooth cannot be known by this method. Before testing, the center distance between two gears needs to be set accuracy. These are the some limitations of it, which need to be further more. Uh, we can say that this needs to be eliminated.